done so already, please click the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. Give a like, comment down below what is your favorite item of the unboxing of the daily goodie box that we're doing today. This is a free subscription box full of free samples. Did I say free? They're free. So you can subscribe to their website. I will put the link in the description box as well as the links to every single item that there is in this little boxy. If you're interested in just one particular item in the box, you can just go ahead and go to the website, order whatever you want to do. Let's go get started with the unboxing of the daily goodie box for the month of August. I was contacted by them, woohoo, to do the review for this month, so I was gladly appreciated to do so. The actual box comes in another U.S. Postal Service box, and this will come inside. So let's go ahead and get started with the unboxing. There it is. That's how it would come out. That's how you will see it when you open it. It says, you got a goodie box. Please enjoy all free samples and full-size products included inside. Remember to log into your account and review each of the items. So that's basically it, what you do with the daily goodie box. You go into their website, review their products, and you may qualify for another box for the next coming month. This one, like I said, is for the month of August. Woo-hoo! Oh my gosh, this one's packed. Woo! I like it. I think this one is like #1 box of free samples that I love. Not because it's just free, basically, but it's because they have the actual full size, almost relatively to a full size item sample that you actually can test and actually have an honest review after you have tested and all that shenanigans, right? Right here, there's a lot of stuff. So, right here, remember in the description box will be the link to everything included. The first things right here are these little 2 pouches, and these are the 1 serving per packet BrightDay Wake Up Refresh Freedom from Hangovers. Oh, Hangovers dietary supplement. So free from hangovers. I do not drink. My husband does not either. So I'm gonna give it to somebody that actually would have a hangover if this is actually like targeted only for hangover people. 1 serving before drinking and 1 serving after. Yeah. So it's for you don't get a hangover. I guess that's good for the people that drink. I do not drink. Neither does my husband, like I said. Yay! The next thing here is a WOLO Protein WanderBar. This is a peanut butter road tripper. Oh my gosh. Peanut butter. I like peanut butter. Look, it's really thick. Maybe at the end we'll open it and see what the taste of it is. A peanut butter protein WanderBar. So they have here, like if you go on a camp, like camping or hiking. That's very nice. Oh, look at this. Oh, look at this. It's so cute. This is a Teapigs. Oh, that's even cuter. Teapigs British Classic, naturally caffeine-free, 2 biodegradable tea temples. Is of rhubarb, and ginger. Teapigs. Oh my gosh. This is to make tea. So it has 2 little package of the tea. This is absolutely adorable. I don't know if it's like this is the extra size or like just for the sample, but I like it. I do like tea, so we're gonna give it a try. The next thing here, the other thing that I love about daily goodie box is that whenever is that they send something that could be spillable or that could break, they send it in little Ziploc bags so you don't get an accident within your samples, right? These are 2 of the Granpa Sub Co. It is with Hazel, shampoo and conditioner, and they're both to clarify. They replenishes moisture and adds body. I'm thinking this is for men. This is the purple one is witch hazel, lavender, flower, and organ oil. The white one is witch hazel, lavender, flower, and coconut oil. Oh, this is very nice. And they're like sample size, but they're kind of a decent size. They're not it's 1 floor ounce. So that's very nice. I like. Can you see that? There's Granpa. Granpa. Anywho, there it is. The next thing here. Ooh, look at that. Talking about full-size samples here. This is the Napz all natural short-term sleep aid. Wake up, refresh. Non-habit forming, and it's drug-free, and it's just a dietary supplement. It has 30 veggie capsules. This is actually very, very nice because my husband, he has trouble sleeping. I do have trouble sleeping. That's because I'm a mother and I have a toddler and I have a newborn, well, 5 months and a 3-year-old. So there's not really such a thing as sleep for moms. So this comes really handy for my husband because he gets trouble sleeping, not because of my children, but it's just in general. And this is non-habit forming, which is absolutely wonderful. Napz has here the bottle. They have, I love their logo. Yeah, natural 60 capsules. Now this is what I call a sample. The next thing here, this is what I was smelling. It's Trust Fund Beauty Veroni. This is a water base. I'm thinking it's a perfume. It's in French. Look at this. Veroni. It's a nail polish, not a perfume. I do know a little bit of French, but sometimes I get it off. Veroni is like nail polish. And this is blue, water-based, Trust Fund Beauty. Oh my gosh, this is a beautiful blue. Can you guys see? I love blue. Like my kitchen is sort of like this blue with turquoise. I love. Oh, they're vegan, they're cruelty-free, they're eco-friendly, they're natural, and they're gluten-free. Beautiful, Trust Beauty. Absolutely wonderful. Oh my gosh, I love today's box. Woo, woo. The next thing here says mint. RunGum. Free sample. Save 20% on your next purchase. This is just a little sample of gum. And it says it's energy. Right? Energy. Supposedly, this little baggie equals a can of soda, or two tablets equals a cup of coffee or an energy drink. Wow, I actually have tested some other ones. You will see that video tomorrow actually of those mints, but this is kind of similar to that. But this is gum. The other things were mints. This is flavor mint, but it's a gum. And it's caffeine energy. It has caffeine, taurine, and B vitamins, sugar-free, and 0 calories. And it equals, this has 2 tablets, so this equals 1 cup of coffee or 1 energy drink. What? The next thing here, I see Mike Tyson. This is the original premium iron energy mojito. Oh my gosh. This is a drink chilled. It's an energy drink with the taste of mojito. I have no idea. Like I told you, I do not drink. My husband used to drink, so he kind of knows what the flavor of things would have been. But Mike Tyson, it's in the damn bottle or the can. I will give this to my husband to try. It's an energy drink. I do not drink energy drinks as well. I don't take Rockstar, Red Bull, Monster. I don't drink those kinds of things. I just drink water and soda. In aguas frescas, but Mike Tyson. Energy drink. It's a full size. This is at 8.45 floor ounces, kind of like a Red Bull size. That would be. And the next thing here, and the last thing is this huge thing. That's it. Fruit bar. It says apples and blueberries. All we use is fruit. No added sugars. No nuts. The 2 ingredients snack. It has 5 bars. And this is the box. And it says apples and blueberries. Let's open the box right on the top to see what is exactly inside of the box. Of course, they're 5. They're 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, they're 5 bars. Look at this is the little bars. Apples and blueberries. Yummy. Yummy. I wanted to taste this one too. Oh my gosh. Let's give it a taste just a little bit because the apples. Ooh, ay. Look at this is the apples and blueberries one. Just like that. You know what they taste like? You know what they taste You know what they taste like? Like the fruit roll-ups, but like the actual fruit of them. Delicious. Oh my gosh, do recommend these. Oh my god. They're fruit bars. Well, they're fruit bars, but like roll-up bars, but it actually tastes like you're eating like a granola bar. You know what I mean? Let's give it a taste to the WOLO. WOLO, go big, get away. Oh, this looks like a Rice Krispie treat. Like it. Rice Krispie treat. And it has like the peanut butter and the chocolate right on the top. This one tastes like a nougat. I don't know if you guys could see that. It's like a Snicker without the covered chocolate. Only the insides. Really good. I like this one better. Okay, the next thing here is just infomercials for the Granpa thing. Oh, and a whole booklet of the WOLO bar. And if you want to know about things. And that's it on the box. I am extremely thankful and happy with this box, especially because of the size of them. Do love the bars, and very happy that they sent the Sleep Aid, the completed bottle to actually test. Love the nail polish. I think those are like my very favorites. The other items are wonderful as well. But yeah, I think that is all for today's video. Hopefully you guys like. Comment down below what is your favorite item, or if you have already tasted any of these items. I have not tasted or used any of this item, so that's gonna be a plus for me. Remember to click on the description box to go and sign up for a free sample box for yourself. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so, and if you did, thank you very much. My name is Nena, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.